Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am vlogging today, which is really exciting. It's not something that I have done before on this channel, and well, in fact, I haven't done it anywhere. I thought I would start out here in my living room right now because it's the best lighting right now. And yeah, today I'm going into London, central London, and I'm gonna go on a pink cafe called Peggy Porschen with my friend Holly. And let me just show you my outfit real quick. Okay, so this is, oh my gosh, look at this cute little phone case. Isn't that just so adorable? Okay, so ignore the laundry that I have here. It's all pink. Anyway, so what I'm wearing today is a simple, I don't know if you can see that, simple turtleneck. And I have actually DIY'd these really, let me try and get it to focus. These really cute bows and pearls. I don't know why I'm so shaking so much. I think it's because I haven't eaten anything. Yeah, so I've DIY'd these cute little pearls and ribbons on there, little silk ribbons. And with that, I'm wearing a white tennis skirt. This one is particularly from Hollister. I really like the quality of it because sometimes these tennis skirts can be really, I don't know, not that the best quality. And I'm just wearing my slippers right now, but I'll probably just be wearing some white trainers. Specifically, I'm wearing some white Vans, and with that I'm just having some pearl earrings and a silk pink what's this called, headband. Yeah, and that is pretty much my outfit, and with that I'll be wearing my cute little Ted Baker tote, and I'm gonna continue filming once I'm at the cafe. So I'll see you guys there. Bye!